How to set voice access listening behavior on screen wake up on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In quick settings here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then tap on voice access. Then we go down and tap on settings. In settings, scroll down. And then tap on listening behavior on screen wake up. And from the pop-up, you can choose always start listening unless previously asked to stop, or never start listening. So select one of the available options. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.